Hey guys, here's another video, and I'm going to focus this one on the JDC Motorsports number 85 Porsche 963. I just love it. Something I thought that was really cool that I've never seen before was the windshield missing on the car. Now granted, they got these cars just out of the trailer, but as you can see, the windshield is not there, and I've just never seen that before. Thought that was really kind of unique. And that can give you an inside look into the cabin from the front of the car, something you'd never normally see otherwise. This is one of my favorite cars. We call it the yellow banana. You know, I'm sure there are lots of other names they have for it, but because it's all yellow. But it looks so good. And there, you know, take a look. There you can see no windshield, and that's just unusual. And there are 3 lights. I don't know if those are lights indicating whether the car is discharged or not. That might be. You can see the safety switches right there. There's one that cuts off the power. The other one disengages the engine. And of course, they have a fire-built fire extinguishers, you know, on the car. And here you're taking a look at the exhaust, and they've got plugs on them. I see that all the time. I don't know why. Maybe it's to keep anything from inadvertently getting into the car. I don't know. Noticed that a lot on these cars as I'm looking at them prior to them being prepped for race. There's what the rear of the car looks like. But anyhow, I thought that was just a unique view of the car without its windshield. And look at all the fins on the top of the car before the air intake there for the engine. Very, very neat. But there it is, the car without the windshield.